Welcome to the AI workforce. My name is Melissa, and today we're going to talk about Viktor, of course, and I want to show you how to earn credits. Just a reminder that I am a top affiliate with Viktor, so this is something I live and breathe every single day. So let me show you how to do it. You're actually going to go to your dashboard and go to your app.viktor.com and log in as usual, and then you're going to come down here to rewards, and you're going to have a link right here. And if you click that link and you copy it, and you share it on your social media, tell people about Viktor, put it in your bio link on your social media, text your friends that they need a Viktor. This is going to give them some free credits. It's going to give you some free credits. Now, when this link first rolled out originally, back when I got it in April, it would only give me 10,000 free credits and them 10,000 free credits. But they've upgraded their reward system because they definitely want to get the word out. So if you see down here, you'll start out at 15% of whatever they spend. So they do have to actually upgrade, and once they do, then you get a percentage of that. So I am currently sitting at 25%, so I'm right here. Though I'm technically like right here because I'm at 1248 in value. So I have almost 500,000 credits coming to me starting September 1, which is really good because that's about what I use to run my whole entire marketing agency every month. So there's other ways you can get paid, but this is how you can get paid every single month in free credits with Viktor. So we can talk about other ways to earn in another video, but I just want to show you that's where you go get your referral link. So share it with the world.